can't send message go give Vera. Vera, now what for you? I go leave children for house. When I see the video where you for the fight with one woman, I can't ask myself, say, who you can't leave children for? Yeah? No good like that now. Who you can't leave children for? You want to get small children. Yeah? You don't even think say you get children. Sometimes, not be say everybody can fight too. Everybody will feel just they fight, they scatter everywhere they go. Sometimes you will see, go see, look your children. You know, when woman don't get children, to they fight, you not go the reason fight again. You not good. You just come on for house, you just go leave your children. Okay, what if something can happen to you? If something can happen to you, who will come help you take care of your children? That means a government go pack your children like that. I don't even understand self. When I see the video, the something tire me. How you just come on for house? You all leave your children for house. I think na holiday that day. Children not dey school now. So okay, maybe you keep your children for school. Now you go outside, go dey fight. I better not do that thing next time. Not good. You get children. You won't be more than when you get eight children. Now you get. You don't even look one. You don't look two. You don't look three. Sometimes, make you know they use the way when our body take they pepper us, but they use and take they do things. Like me now, if I dey go for road now, somebody go tell me say me I come me come dey fight. Me I not go fight too. I not go fight. Not be say I not get strength when I want to fight, but fight no good. You feel go somebody feel push you. You feel go knock head for something. You're from there pass out. Or you self, you feel push somebody. That person feel go knock head for something. That person go die, go. If not they fight sometimes, they see the thing say prison day. They think say prison day. Okay, I see with that woman they fight today now. Maybe the woman push you, your enemy go hit head, you die. That woman will go prison. Maybe now you push that woman now, that woman go hit head, he die. Wait till you go come do, you can't go prison. No, you're not supposed. I don't understand. When I just come out for house, I don't know. It get where things they power. Now not be young girls now, even young girls now say they not they. Now young girl when you can't dress now, makeup, put your my hair for head. You can't dress, you spray better perfume for body. You don't have bag. You want go take air for outside. You want go enjoy outside. You can't reach outside. You can't dey fight. Everything when you wear come out, they'll come check here. And like me now, me I don't feel go outside go dey fight because the things when I put for body, the things when I put for body, I don't want make you go cut now. Come cut my things here when I put for body. You come nyama me. Me I don't like fight too. No, I don't like fight. One person don't mature, it don't mature. Next time, Vera, not try and beg. It's not good. Not try and. If there not be person fight, not be person take get power. Not be person fight, not be person take get strength. Not be person fight, not be person take wicked. Not be person fight, not be person. I don't understand. Wait till me at the door. You just leave your children for house. Now that one. Now me at the reason. How many children you get? You not even reason yourself say you get children. Now 8 children now you get. I not count children for you. You not even they remember anyone for inside. You just come on for house. Who can help you with your children? And who can even drive you go there self? Benjamin. How now just come on for house? I mean I don't understand though. Oh yeah, ba. Wekwe mo imoto ashe jada na uwo mo fio imoto da yo no sawon no do ahun okay wa le bon le ri ja ye nya o eni ko le ri wo wa yo ne ahun wa ni pe le ri wo wa ahun ipe ahun iko ki aso wa va o ipe va ahun o be va ahun o I no understand though the way one take dey do something now the something get as e be Benjamin he dey there that woman husband he dey there men now leave women, make women they fight. That means say all those men no even respect to myself. Una be naughty before those men. How can they, as I just did now, my man will just drive me go where another woman dey, and that woman man go drive and come where we dey, we go see. Then the come say me they fight. Man, me I no fight too. I no fight. Good evening. Everyone love how you dey. Now Vera when you go they fight. Vera leave children for house, go they fight. No good, my sister, You not just good at all. Not trying again, no good. Use mouth talk. As me there, so me I be live video presenter. I feel they waka they go for road. Now person go say lovely and one fight. Me I no go fight though. I don't go fight. I don't they run up and down. Me I don't go fight. Don't be say I don't get power to fight. I get strength to fight, but no, I don't want fight. You come mark me, go use finger to touch up my body. The things when I take dress come and you can't cut everything, can't rough. You know, I don't understand. I don't know. Like me now, if I dey go out now, say if I want go out now, not be by mouth. From my hair reach toes, wetin they wear, if you calculate it, they don't reach 3,000 euro. Not be by mouth. Meruo, I will say make I come out. Say if I just say I dey go Amsterdam, if you calculate wetin I wear, my hair, my gold necklace, things when I wear, my handbag when I carry, if you calculate, I don't already stand with no less than 3,000 euro. Not be by mouth. I don't understand. Then I'll call you come meet person. You call you just a cut things when I wear. Call the check my cloth. Call the check my cloth. Perfume when I spray for body. You go call use sweat. They rub on my perfume. You know. Big women know they fight. How big woman go they fight? Woman when you carry F+Ght down her bag now. You go come go they fight. You can carry the F+Ght down her bag. You can use a rough ground. Yeah, what? Oh, yeah, that woman. You see your Vera now. Now make they follow Vera, they fight. You see your Vera, you will see her now. Vera now. When I see Vera for ground, if I say, oh, small picking your waroto. Now you tell us say the woman is in your Vera. The woman is in your Vera now. It's in your now. It's not good. Don't do things like that. Benjamin. Yeah, where Benjamin go carry and come out, go there. Oh, yeah, but I don't know now. I did all now, but I work in now. Plus that woman husband with Benjamin, police supposed to even arrest two of now. Oh, yeah, but police was supposed not to arrest them. See those men now, they no fight. Excuse me. Wait, water. I drink water, I not go chook because you win there. Baba, start shouting, I'm here. I'm not saying what you. What? Huh? Waiting. If na mosquito, you tell me I can't kill or na fly. I will come up for there. Leave me alone, Joe. Oh, you not even pity for me, sir. Tell me help you put that thing from inside there. I don't tire since morning. To put the bed decker for inside, this boy still call me. This way down and something there inside room. No say if any fly there inside the room, they'll find one help them keep fly. Yeah, Benjamin not supposed to carry Vera. We about I don't even know say. Ozomo bowa. We more dagbare not to akon wa de sole. Like me now, somebody go tell say lovely. I did the month of your army. They come down. I know they come down. Now from when they go they look out. Not be say I no get strength to fight. I get strength to fight, but I no want fight. No, now two people fight. One na fight. Now two people fight too. It's not good. Even he say the woman he beat Vera. Vera beat the woman. Me, I don't want to know who win. Who no win. I don't want to say now this one he get power, now that one get power. And me, I don't need that thing. As I just did, so person will just carry me put for ground. By this time, me, I just sit down, bath come on for house. I don't understand. I don't bath come on for house, wear cloth, put perfume for body, dress, come out. I don't see somebody who just nyanga me. Me come now. Eh? Everything when I put for body, I will say, me wait first, though. You go wait, where I remove everything when I put for body before you go cut and put for my body. Now so. Now so, I'll say, wait. You won't fight. I'll say, okay, wait. Everything when it did my body, both here you go, my hair, everything, come out cloth when I wear, because me, they wear nika, put for down. I'll say, okay. I am not going to fight. Before I go able to pull my things, you go say, this one not wear. But I mean, no, I not fit. It's not good. It's not good. Whether the woman he beat Vera, whether Vera beat that woman, no. It's not good. It's not good. No be side market that day. Nice side market night that day. Even for Nigeria says somebody not go even go meet person for house. He go say come fight. That one just come on for inside house go. Go say abeg while they go. I don't know whether they don't kill you remain. It's not good like that. It's not good. You leave children for house. Now leave children. I know they even fear police, safe. When I know they even I don't understand. This country won't a day. I don't know. As I just did now, I just pack my children for one side. I thought they fight. Nyanga. Police go come. Police will just first of all carry my children. Now my children, I mean I felt they look first. When it comes to say fight, if I go look my children, where I be one banya, my children go come be, they no come get mama again. Eh? It's not good. I don't like. It's not good. Benjamin not supposed to drive Vera go there. Benjamin we about well no say o me na. O me no ko ni when say o bia ni o mo ke bi ba kilu je nya when okpia. Well as about no. You know sometimes you can say no, you can refuse when it comes to fight. You know, because ukpokpa sabore gbegbe a gbukpokpa. Wọ́n fi ki wọ́n pokpa sabore gbukpokpa. Ukpokpa enanya. Una they go carry na go prison. The three they go carry na go prison. Say one of those two women when they fight today now one kill one. Una the remaining three because now una be four now. Una buy one for inside. Una wait remain. Una go prison. Before now they say no. Now prison now una go. Balo alo ni country wa kere bo khon. Una don't they come one day una go see say Oyibo with Oyibo they fight. Okay, these two women when they fight now wait una they fight for. Men just carry una come for house. All those men say Benjamin plus that man una no track all. Una don't waka come for us. What did they happen? No matter how person go verse rich, once he goes okay, they come. Once he don't waka, he don't open door. If breeze don't enter body, will say, where I beg, I will just come for us go they fight. When I don't drive for the place one I do, come read that place one I go fight. When I don't even change myself. You get where person go, you will see that if you dey inside house now, if you dey vex now, you feel open outside. Once air enter your body, that your anger don't go down. When I don't from una house, enter open door, reach outside, the vaccination just is continue. Just drive, they go with that anger, can't reach that place. The Benjamin side, no fee, say, make I go back house. That woman with the husband, their side, they no fee say, make we go back. We say, honey, I better go. Una if na way una day na say na 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Now na take drive every day. Una don't that anger just dey with una from 15 minutes. For na house reach that place. It's not good like that. You say person too talk, they don't get power. Even me, I not like fight though. I don't like fight, lie. And that fight where they fight today, me, I don't know how to fight that kind of fight. Me, you go come home, me say if I want to true fight. You know feel hold me, I don't go stay for there. Now wait, I want to break your and I go they run, they fight, they go. Me star, you come hold me, I come hold you, you come sit on top of my body. Me, I come sit on top of your body. Where would they fight that kind of fight? Huh? People when know how to fight, they don't all fight like that. They come sit down for ground, then they play like small children. Show me want to true fight. I don't sit down and say, come hold me, leave me, catch me, leave me, catch me. No. I don't like him. It's not good. To be honest, all those things, I don't even know why you guys are doing this. Make una contact Facebook say, at last una don't jam, una don't fight. Now this one can't be that one, and that one can't be that. No. Who now bring the matter can't give? Who? Person when they right senses go no say that fucking thing one they do is not good. Alright. Because of this Facebook, una just bring different attitude every day by day. Una just lose una self-respect every day by day. It's not good. Come on for house, from house drive, reach where una go fight. Una not change mind. Then they see something, you get where person go vex reach. Una not they carry, you see some people, they will say, they come. Before you walk out, you say, I beg. Now this is waiting. You don't they do another thing. Welcome, maybe welcome now. I beg all those things. Now, because of Facebook, now I make they do all those things. Facebook. You don't see the time that they fight? The woman, they say, you don't video, yeah, the video, and maybe you contact Facebook, say you dey fool yourself. You man, they say, you don't video, But they talk say you dey beat Vera. Why you not beat Vera before? You not senior, As I always say, you dey beat Vera self. Vera be like small picking for your hand. Yes, it be like small picking for your hand. Don't even say, you say, I better leave this one, leave Vera, make Vera they go. Yeah, which kind you know be even better. That woman when they even follow Vera, they fight safe. Now that woman, now she can't useless pass. She's a very useless being. She too useless. She dey fight. She say make they put her for Facebook. Make Facebook people see say you dey fight Vera. As you come fight, wait till come dead there. Only Vera na self where was self. Only where you joy melo. Oda bele we oda bele me don't need job on no melo. That kind of person you wait fiakon, you know they bite. You go bite time. I don't know what going on. Muru, you can rock, walking yan, while you are going bonali carrot. When I leave children for us, go to face like as I can they go now. And one person when they join one live video presenter, you can't see me for outside, you can't say lovely milk come with the fight. Me follow you fight. What you concern you? I can't come say me with the fight. I don't follow you fight though. I want the fight though. Me I don't like fight. Come fight. Come pull. You when the first use bottle to design the body, you can't use bottle to design my body. Not be sure me I don't know how to use bottle. I know how to use bottle, but I don't need it. No, I don't need that. Nyaka. As the fight finish now, if they reach us now, 2 of them, they will start to dey sick. You know, if you too drag, sometimes if they make person dey sick, all your body will come get bruises, blood go come tag your skin. They do something now. Foolish people now go they do all those things too. Foolish person. As I just come out now, just bath come out. I don't reach outside. I'll just begin to dey fight. Say now waiting be my problem. I know where. And they remember by suffer frustration here. Is that frustration? Yeah, now so my personal person. They be like dog, even dog self, dog self. That even dog for street self, they don't know their self. You get where they go fight rich, they will come know say they be family. Yes, you get where you know they see dogs sometimes that they go in group, street dog. They don't fight. They don't know their self. Today they will fight, tomorrow they will fight. They can't know their self. They don't they fight again. Well now, how can you see even the men self when he carry them? All those men, I don't even know which kind may be this one. When I carry on our wife come on for house, oh, all those men they be, I don't know. Eh? How which kind men? And I don't say so, eh? My man will just tell me, say, enter motor house, the woman they fight, I want go fight, I want go fight. They will to carry car, come say, make it drive me, go. I tell her, say, I better enter house, you too mumu. You foolish. May you drive me, go there. Huh? Then they fight. The second woman, they say, video and make them say you they beat Vera. And you beat Vera, well, no problem. Madam, enter house. And you go beat her now. You not senior now. Vera na small pikin for where you dey. Because say that one they shout for Facebook like person when they remove this thing. Eh? And you can't say if you can't read this thing, you look Vera like who they shape. Wetin made their dose go just do be this only wallow where you talk waso. Wa we no say yo. Wa we no say. I see that they fight today. Now say la video presenter we go see don't behave like this the way we Vera take behave. Na made dose. Wa wallow where you talk. You go just they go say la wa we no say yo. No na tell am may leave me. Eh? You don't like that one don't Vera don't kukuma like that for ground say. Vera, you be I don't know what you go call you. You be story. She be storyteller. I said this what you go give my sister. I tell my sister, I say, see the way Vera don't take like that for ground. My sister speak my language. I went back to your Vera was above your area. Well, when you look Vera like who gets straight to fight, you just dey ground. In the same one, I tell her, may leave me. Oh, Vera. Everyone they after okay, Agba Bobby Vera. People when they talk as well, I take the clap. Now also I go tell no say if you reach fight. Oh, so as una tutu see Vera, say Vera go fit fight. Oh, as una tutu see Vera, for now my say Vera go fit craze. Oh, they make me laugh today. No, Vera find trouble. Instead of Vera find trouble. I'm Vera take find trouble. You dead there. Huh? Now the man when drive the go, now me I blame. My brother when he dey, you don't be like say make I help Benjamin blow that guy. Benjamin don't dey shout. I go blow you. I go beat you. Beat you. Oh yeah, ba. When I see your ball, you don't get blow. Huh? Well, what this garage? Well, what about this ukbo here? Oh. Yo, Benjamin, this school no where YOLO. Hey, background school YOLO aba. That background school where YOLO ono boy ni urero won re ukiru won re sanovi. Oni moto no riveni. Oh. Huh? Betty. Huh? See. I know that sound. Oh, at the verse. If now me, I know they fight. The castle go. Now what? You got one second time. When something like this happen, but not be like this. So, police come. Police say talk. I tell police say no, I can't talk. Go. Now police, then they laugh. You can say no, I can't talk. My body is paining me. That police come, they laugh. Say you can say no. They say why your voice is so tiny now. I said, no, I can't talk. My body is paining me. I don't know how to fight. You don't see fight. Where about your home? No. 47 years. No, be small. Okay, the woman of 47 years. You stay here, say. The woman of 47, okay. The woman of 40 years. Yeah, 47 years. You use how many years testing your Vera? You know, Vera like junior sister now. He beat Vera like his junior sister. Say Vera like junior sister. And that's what it's supposed to be now. There you go. Wait, shout for social media like better people say as Vera follow woman beat her like small pikin. Vera na small pikin for where that woman dey. Na small pikin for where the woman dey. The woman where for come, Igbanke. Igbanke people that they get power well, not big banker for come. Igbanke. If you see that they're small, they carry you up. If they carry you up, you never know Igbanke. You can't say Igbanke is small. Or I worry, who could they go to poi? All those small Igbanke, not big banker for come. You get the place when you for come. All those one. You just big. You want to enter there, I will more. You go don't carry you come on for God. We don't knock you poor. Hey, Jay, I know how you about me. I don't know that you. Man, be like say I eat overfeed this night. Now some more I eat. I eat some more. I dey drink water since. Oh, man. Oh, Jevara on Facebook. Benjamin not supposed to carry Vera go there. You not try at all. How you go carry woman when you get children come on for house? If something can't happen, now they go kill uncle. Benjamin not do that thing again next time. Not do it again. Because I not don't understand. Because you be say the two men carry their wife come outside, come disgrace their wife. Now what I see be that too. For these two men, no one when evil to say he don't do. How can two men go come just be the same character? Now I don't understand. That means say una go see fit set fight for una children with another person children for outside. How can a man, you go drive his wife come on for house, make them go fight? Una don't as this heat day. Not be say una drive una self go where they lick ice cream. Now where they fight at this heat day so I don't understand though. Me I don't fit to me I don't know how to fight. Not be say I don't feel they fight too, but I don't be that kind person when they fight. I feel stay for 5 years, I don't go fight. I feel stay for 10 years, I don't go fight, say fight with person. I don't understand. How can somebody go just come on for us? Benjamin carry Vera. That second man carry his wife. Una just they fight. And these two people, they get children for us house. So. Oh. Two men went down and no fight. Now you're going to that home. Or papa. I can eji Benjamin be that boy that home. Eji that home papa. They'll say where Benjamin with that boy for fight, Say the ground, he brush. Say they use their body brush the ground. And the men don't fight. Una let those women when born for una. Women when they carry pregnancy for 9 months, where they want see power take fight again. Oh, these two men. Una not go make heaven. Very useless men. 2 men. I never see this kind of thing before. This is my first time see this. Man, go carry wife come. The second one will carry wife come. They go tell the 2 wives, say, make they fight. Even man when he marry 2 wives for house. Man when he marry 2 wives for house. If he 2 wives, they one fight. He will say, as soon as see me so, I don't leave you now. Now, no. I don't go separate to now fight. Oh. When they don't see, say, their husband don't come up for house, they go mellow down. Man when he marry 2 wives for house, self. They're not going to give that chance. Maybe 2 wives, they fight present of, and you go just carry cloth, you don't walk out, come on for yourself. If you want to kill yourself, no, kill yourself. Those 2 men, those 2 men, when I don't enter car, come out for house. This one come out for a resident, second one come out for a resident. Those 2 men, you guys, you are not qualified to be a father, to be a husband. I, the barrister, lovely and Ikioya, I disqualify Benjamin and that man as a father and a husband. Benjamin, me wono, me barrister no nuro vivai. Barrister Ikioya. They were there come viva Barrister Ikioya, yo genya they were di you know viva, you know. Me yo genya they were di you know viva wo. O yo genya kine ron wi miti. Ayo genya na gbugbe na egbu na erukon adayo na le ron won akinero won fo many barrister dayo yo wa mo si kon mi gbe amo si mi because wa kon ikoti e won da na ikoti na je ki da mi go re le bai wa kon better mi when brother le yo aba 7 market day, after 4 days, no na go back to another place again, go fight. No na they fight the video. Benjamin, if you want go fight with Vera, I beg, find who go help you carry your video, make it the record una, or make it the video una. Oga, the second Oga, if you want go fight, with your wife, go meet Benjamin with his wife. I beg. When I find who go help una the video, even the guy when he the even video una self, the person when the video una, that person now the most useless person on this head. Why be say una so? Well na for throw una so because all of una when they zoos una na road una for enter house, not be flight una take enter abroad because I will say na flight. Many of them for not enter this blood, whether na blood, I don't know which I want color. The aeroplane are revival boat. Therefore, repatriate many of them because why? Na no get sense. If they even say waiting day passport, na no go no. Now road now na follow come. They no ask of una date of birth. They no ask of una passport. They una even carry passport when they go. Una gari with granite na be una passport. If you see the kind of men now, maybe say that they do this, the fight where they fight for all the way from Sabisa Forest, can reach Libya. Oh no, I say yeah, oh I say yeah, wo be Somali. Ni Somali re ragbo. Oh Somali moda oh no say fo. Oh no eva yere sena. How can you imagine? But me watch it now. You that love you. I don't know. I go laugh. Me I go fight. Say me come but before you say me come fight. Fair put food for ground. Make I fair eat first. If I don't eat that food, finish drink water. Me I go for your present. I will throw away sleep for day. You could walk where? Una, they make person laugh. What you say back to me do? Let's see how the well. Mothers when they go fight. They are terrible. Yeah, Vera, Benjamin, my mind. Where are they see Benjamin today? Eh? Benjamin. Benjamin can never fight. Benjamin Dako, Benjamin can never fight. Oga rune rurure. Oga say, I will blow you. I will blow you. I will blow you. I will blow you. Benjamin, I don't look at Benjamin can never fight. I will say Benjamin a type person when they fight. If you fight that guy, 2 men stand, they no fight. You know, Benjamin not be person when they fight. They well now they go fight. Eh? Now what? Look at this one. Make I know ever hear Vera call Benjamin mama. My mom. Wish no what you write for you? Wish no fit stand for you. That one ma. Commenters. But I leave my brother alone. Benjamin not the fight now. Benjamin not the fight. Okay. I go finish you. Benjamin don't go fight. Benjamin don't want fight. You get one village for Rome. They not they fight. They can never fight. I don't want Puma for that village. Be like say, now Benjamin for come. Yeah, that small place. Be like say now Benjamin for come. They not they fight. Lie. They can never fight. Mama. Hey, mama. Eh? Oh, Vera, yeah. Next time, beg, don't go fight again, yeah? I just go beg you. Okay, you leave children for house. If something can't happen to you today, you call. If for example, say, yeah, you by mistake kill that woman today, you call, you can't go prison. Eh? You can't go prison. Or if that woman come by mistake, can't buy you, that woman can't go prison. Eh? Vera, you don't do. Just rooster. You know, Vera, if I were you now, eh? You see these few days now for summer. Use and dress, come out, go eat ice cream, find where go. Just go another city. If not just hotel, just go sleep hotel with your children. Just go another city, just come on for area. You know? You just clear all those things around you. Just clear them. It's not good. Me, I don't fit to. As I just go now. Eh? I leave my children for house. I don't go they fight. Nah, what? The day when I go supermarket, me with Oyibo with the talk, with the quarrel. As a quarrel, that's why they laugh. That time he say, are you serious? One time he say, he go call police for me for outside. And then the man say, I beg, wait for me for outside, and they come. After they talk and they laugh. You know, it's funny. That guy even just say, they gonna tell me, say, I bet they go. You know, I don't me, eh? Before me, I don't like fight. I don't too like fight. Not because I don't know how to fight too. People when they fight, eh? When they fight rugged fight, eh? They not they quick fight. If they fight, eh, something must happen. Not people when they fight every day continue to they fight. That one not be fight. They see people when they fight. You know why those people know they like to fight? If they fight, eh, they must share blood. Me, I don't like her. As I don't they go now. If I don't reach Amsterdam, person will just touch my shoulder, say, hey, lovely, no be you be this one. I want to fight. I say, I know you. I better go, no fight me, oh. The one when I tell do something, she go say, I say, no, I better go. I don't want to fight, oh. No, yeah. Now what? You get one years back. I do this thing every day market. That is street market. The one guy come dey pass. You know, say sometimes leg he can fail you. Let he fail you. If you understand life. If you just work out something, be like say muscle pull hold you or leg go fail you. Now so the guy just be 1-4. Now me, he take wage himself. As if he can say, now he can't say, oh, he said, now he can't tell me, say sorry. I said, no problem. Me, I can't even tell him, say sorry. I said, sorry. He can't tell me, say, oh, sorry, sister, sorry, please, sorry. Say, no, just by that. I said, no problem. You know what the guy asked me? He said, where are you from? I don't tell him, say, I'm from Nigeria. He said, you be Nigeria? Now, you don't see him. He said, you be Nigeria? I said, yes, I'm from Nigeria. I said, you be Nigeria? Ha! He say he never see Nigeria woman like this. So if he match leg so hard, I don't say, but you not just do you not just do attention. I say you just say me, you just hurt me like that. I see say maybe something. He said now for it be 1-4. He said if not be me when he wager. You see, you gonna say, oh sister, thank you very much. He said, hey, you be Nigeria? I say, yes, I be Nigeria. He said, are you sure? He even asked me, say, you grow for Nigeria, and Nigeria you forgot. I say, yes. He said, but why your character is different? You know, that's it. Everybody, you know, just I don't hold busy. Everything, my life is okay. If I come out for house, 300 or 9, they follow me, they come out. I will just withdraw for bank, put them for my purse. You see, I know but it not the pepper me. Why would you consider the fight? I don't get pepper body. I not depressed. I not frustrated. I will come up for us and hold 300. Say if I want to go do shopping. Any money when if now I want to do shopping, if you go still remain, I not they bother me. Why I go just sit down? Just a verse. How just a verse? Huh? How if you don't see some people sometimes, if you don't by mistake match day, they go just shout, you they crazy, why you go match me like this? No. Yeah? No, sir. That is it. I don't understand fight when they fight. Me, I don't feel fight too. Then they fight. But I go finish you. No, then they talk for the village. You said they not they fight. Then I go finish you. Now they talk for their village. Benjamin can never fight. Now 2 times, now be this one. So 2 times when something like this don't happen, Benjamin can never fight. You get the place when Benjamin for come for room. That place, they can never fight you. They don't they fight. So who don't be guys they are going, some they go gaga, some they go crazy. And some they okay, we about me that's about no now. You say welcome about I won't go fight. You say welcome. You know? That was it. What you say for con? Oh, Bedu. No, Bedu you for con? Huh? Oh, Bedu. You Bedu. Okay. Oh, Bedu. Ivwe. As if we famous so Bedu na. Abi? I'm not even famous so Bedu. I could dock our Sarwe, a creation so bunny. I'll go finish you. Well, Benjamin go fight that one. Only one that one where they work out like I don't even know where Benjamin boy will be Europe, where cross America. It be nigga way not they fight. Nigga hon. Go for it. Obedu. Obedu. Okay. Also, I see voice for now. See voice for question Obedu now. All those raw side, you know. Also say raw side. Yeah. Also na that area line. Na that area na be our way that time. My nurse on you, we Macedona ro egbo dagbare. Nini no. Ora no sha. I was doing a wheel in knee. Let me now a near bay, go neck bay, wharfia. My God just on you, my brother also a cobed do. Oh, yes, I will be shy. My brother a cobed do. Oh, in a bono whom feel a cobed do. Or get deck ye bo. A refer muy gao. Oh, any matter level. Any matter level, any matter finishing the TV school. Yeah. For me, I dey fight rugged fight, but I don't like fight. No. If you they carry blow, they come, I will they hold myself wait for the blow. Oh, if not they carry blow, they come. I don't they kicking myself. They hold myself wait for the blow. Hey, I don't maybe the person. If I can't look, I see say the person drop his hand. I say, all the was me know they are feel wait. Yeah, it's good. Benjamin, you know when to no fight, but no ever carry Vera go fight again. When we only knew well, I said, well, like come a video now. Yeah. Now small boy, go find Benjamin here. What I bought so yeah. I go finish you. I go finish you. Me di finish here. Me di bonu khama. Me di gbe out. Where won't fieti? Eti no say be ma. Fieti du ki dodo oloha ki dodo nu gbenega. Na mo da gbenega reketi. Man, these people, they are funny. It's not good, Benjamin. Not try that kind of thing again. I beg. Not try again. Now, wow. See the way when I say they drink water. Huh? I see drink pepper soup. Okay, pepper soup spice. That one. My con my sabo con ba. I walk on that boy just that boy he just they push Benjamin come out. You know what make Benjamin go separate fight. That boy no be better person. Or your no be better person. No good. You know say this life, fight, you get the way when fight they go wrong sometimes. Like as that woman now sit down top of Vera. That woman feel just fall top of Vera, without fall put for ground. He go just pass away for there. Liver can fail her. Heart feel just fail her. That time they'll say Vera Ogboria. And that can Vera Ogboria. Somebody when they fight, they'll say this guy na evil break person head. That evil fight pass. Now that person they go rush go hospital. Don't say fight for this life, it can become two way. Who you sit down top, if you buy. You when you sit down top of person, you feel still pass away. Because why? As soon as they fight, so everything when there's on our body, una intestine, una kidney, una heart, una liver, all of the days so go for inside body, so go. Me I know my God me what Jana you that call you a lovely come we fight. I was saying no, I bet I know God want to fight self by this time. I want to fight. Now blow I want come gather man come the blow. I want to do one. I don't fit to. I don't fit. May not try next time. Vera be don't go. Not that. You say Vera be don't go. Say na that slap wake up. Vera, Vera, laugh. If you see like when I laugh today, this something he funny me. You don't like that for granted. You they say I be more na come. More na come. We not supposed to know say Vera, Vera, people like that, that time when they go school, we they get people like that for gang. Tell her make John face. You no go feed John face. Now you go they carry on. You know, when you get gang that time, like the time we dey school that time, like my gang, you must see lazy person. If you want John face, now they talk pass so you go they carry go see they talk. Uki amo where he before you akwedomu wa we where he oku say ya tane wait no na carry this small shut up climb. No say they see people like that. Now I see Vera today and they laugh. I say bawo chona we ki yeah. Tomorrow now she go see come up for social media, she go sit and shout. You know, just sit and shout. If I did when I go see you, I go beat you. If I beat you that time when you first beat me, I know where. This the day when I will see you, may I go where? You'll see the way when I will take beat you. You know, the person when they talk, you go they clap hand. You go they clap hand. You share the video, man, share the video. Now me with her today, I'm not share the video. When I see say the woman is on top of Vera, you don't pay me say is on top of Vera. Because me I know say Vera not get power where you want to fight. Vera, that one go get power where you want to fight. How? You not even know person where you want to fight. Even if say that woman no, Vera no even for say that woman sit on top of Vera body. Say now they get up they fight. Now walk up and down. Now Vera go they walk up and down. The woman go they pursue one. Now that whole way the woman hold on for ground. Now let that one. If not, you don't they walk up and down. You don't they use the woman they walk up and down. Go act back way. Okay, so I will beat you today. Come. You know say that they see people like that. And they see people like that. From you. Monica, no, Monica, they bite too. If Monica bites you, you go here and win. No, where as Monica will just be so. That one, you go just like that for ground. You go just there on top. That one. Before where that they talk. No. Monica, that one just like that. All the live video presenter, I know the people when if fight come, they not go even feel fight. Say now mouth all of the just day. Mouth. You know? If Monica come, if they not go even push Monica, say Monica don't lie down for ground. Only one lo yoto. Yeah, where Monica I walk bury. You go say I beg go on, I go carry come up on top of my body. People when they talk, when they say, if I see you, what I go do you, I go beat you. If I beat you, you don't say those people, well, the day when you go sit there, now you yourself go even talk say I beg carry your wahala they go. And I say Vera just this, so Monica fit just be like that. But Monica they bite. I don't know if I come Monica. I don't look Monica. But I never see you bite too. But now you go they bite. Or they if you come. But you know that one not get strength. Like me I know the war in Germany. Now so how you there? Rose. Now Vera husband and that one they make me laugh. Now they say I will deal with you. I will deal with you. With it. You get what? Yes, back. You don't tell. Me with my girlfriend. Me with that my girlfriend. We tight well. Yeah, me with that my girlfriend. We tight. Me with I can't get problem. You know what? My children, papa. This one don't tell. That time we did girl, and we never they born. I don't know. Say can't come out for us, so you can't go beat that my girlfriend. As he can't come now. I come and say, where you for the call? He say, go beat my girlfriend. I say, who say you? He come surprised. I say, who tell you, say, you go beat her? Why you go beat my girlfriend? He say, she's there. You know, once problem call, he go say, I beg you, while they go. I can remember a long time. Because that my girlfriend now, so that one saying, we say, that one saying, that one they insult. I know say some people now, if you with at the quarter, if you see your guy, go they insult your guy. My children, papa, now that one now, he can't be as that one come. What did they happen? Why you dey like this? He say, and then, who he go beat? They still almost at the same place. Now they for still come. You know? No, I can't. The way when I take veg for her, he come the toss. He come. Something called tiring. I don't know. Say, who tell you? I know why you go beat her. You say, I say, why you go beat her? Why you go come on for her, go beat my friend? Who tell you? Who tell you? So now I say, and God say, say I don't did there. Let me meet my girlfriend, go forget that beat you. She's there. That be say I don't dey fight to me. I rugged for fight to. Me I rugged well. If I hold ground there, not let me fight. If I don't come like this, my fight not dey take 5 minutes. I can never hold you. You can never hold me for my fight. Me, you can't hold me like this. I dey crazy. If I don't see something when they around me, I know they fight. Me, I gotta use hand content. They follow you, man. Be they fight. Hold me, bite me, I pinch you. Like. If stick not there my area where I want fight, forget fight. I don't they fight. Me use ordinary my hand. They fight. I get power to fight. We are what's the power to fight. Me now go on now be. Once you hold my left, I be lefty. Once you hold that hand, you don't finish. Oh, if you don't hold that hand, I don't finish. I don't finish. Be that. Nothing. Once you hold this hand, even small pikin will feel beat me because I be lefty. You know, some people when be lefty, if you hold their left hand, you don't finish. Be that. You don't sit down. You don't obey. But if you use that lefty to carry something, make una go that side. You with cat, here they hunt at the gist. Hey. Mona go that side. You got to go.
Hi everybody. Ow.
Not only as a mama, I say for Edo, space where if she fight like me. Okay, as a mama, you don't see as a mama will feel fight. All those one, if I see you, I go beat you. As a mama, you don't see as a mama no go fight. As a mama no go fight. No, as a mama no go fight. Now, if the doctor finish, the doctor come on for there. You talokwa kekan. The doctor. When the doctor finish, it don't finish. Like me, my fight, is rugged. My fight na rugged fight. I know the quick fight. And I cannot fight without I no use weapon. Without weapon, forget me. I know they fight. Lie. Me can't hold you. I want to fight you. Say I dey fight you now. You hold my lefty. You hold my lefty. Don't finish now. My right hand no they let me use. I cannot use my right hand. I no fit use. I take slap you. Make it pay you. Once me with you don dey dry, you know say I be left, you hold that hand, you don't finish. I will just go down fear. I will just dey laugh. Because why? Now when my power dey now na hold, then what is the need? What is the need when I want to fight? You don't hold my left hand. Wait, I want to follow you fight. My right, you know, they let me take the if I too use now right now left I dey use. I know the too much use left like now left I dey. I know the too much use right like that. If you get where I even use right, they eat rich. It will be like say me I switch go left. Now that one I want to fight. I dey eat sometimes. Now you get where if I dey use my right hand to dey eat, I go dey slow for food. If I want dey slow for food, I will use my right hand to dey chop. If I want fast for food, I'll use my left hand to dey chop. You see, I even food self, my right hand very slow. If I dey peel orange now with my right hand, I can peel that orange more than like 20 minutes. Because why? People when be lefty, they know where they go. If I want to peel orange now, if I use my lefty to peel orange, now go peel 3. But if I won't use my right hand to peel orange, 1, I no go fit peel 1. Then for my right hand side, it's like nonsense. My right hand side na nonsense. If I use my right hand side to knock you, you no go pay you. Because nothing dey there. But if you don't be lefty, oh, if I use to take carry something, I go dey run dey go. I dey run dey go. Once I use to take pick something, I must use her to wipe person. That means say I'm not interested. Say come dey fight. No, I'm not fit. No. If I use my lefty to hold you, if you dey lose and you know if you lose her. If I use my right hand to hold you, you're not going to say if you don't carry hand, they can just remove the hand for them because why not you follow you use the hand to drag. Then you want to tell me say make a come fight. You know say some people dey. If they don't say you be lefty, they want follow you fight. Now that your left hand, now they go target to hold. Once they don't hold, you don't go down be that. Then what's the need of fighting? No, me I know they fight to me, I no feel. As a man, you when they talk say as a mama, so as a you feel just say as a mama, and as a mama not go fight. You know see that day when Sister Rosemary went dey France. You know see that day when that one they shall say as a mama dey here, oh, as a mama come beat me for where they walk, oh, as a mama come beat me for where they walk, oh. Una see the fight? No. Me I no fit to. Me I know for this heat. These two women on a trial. It shows say these two women, Vera and that woman, it shows say they're worse. So I don't say those two women that they normal. For this heat, they're not even fight safe. Today, I say make I cook pepper soup because I don't sit there when I eat pepper soup. I don't come out for kitchen. Go rest. I can't see rest. I'll still come again for heat. Now I can't just go outside. When I try, I beg. I understand. As I don't be so, one woman just come sit on top of me. Which kind of disrespect? I can't go disrespect myself. You know, when it's too big, when you are too big for something, you are too big for something. Like me now, a fellow woman like me, the same age like me, you will come sit on top of me, or me I'll come sit on top of us. Waiting they happen. Waiting with the drag. Now prick, now with the drag. I be with the drag money. Because I say, come, as I just they go now, if I don't reach Amsterdam, somebody the doctor say me I come with the fight. Me, how they fight though? No, how they fight, lie. How they fight? Like years back. Bus stop for back of my house. The bus they stop for back of my house that time. If I want go Amsterdam, now here for the enter. I just come and just walk like seconds. I just did for the bus stop. The bus now he go carry you go Amsterdam. Now here I go enter. If I the one when if I dey still come back house, you go come drop me for still my house. I just enter house. Huh? You get one. You can't carry me. You know, say you can't get the way when you can't take turn. As he can't turn for the last bus stop, you still there here. You want come turn for junction when you did there. I don't come down. Now the man go say, why I not come down? Tell the man say, I will come down for this one when you go. If you don't turn, that one when you go reach. He can't tell me say, if he reach there, he no go stop. I tell the man say, come, let me tell you what happened 20 years ago. Don't let it happen now. Now the man say, what are you talking about? The man say, I didn't know what happened 20 years ago. Now the lie, nothing happened. I don't want to be funny. Make the man know. You know, say some drivers, they tell you say they don't go drop you, they don't go drop you. Men don't go drop me for if you come on for here now, you know, go stand for Central. From Central this year now, I will work like 10 minutes. I tell him, say, see, what happened 20 years ago? Don't let it happen here. Oh. He said, what happened 20 years ago? I don't know. I said, yeah, don't let it happen here. Oh. Now don't ring bell. I said, please, can you drop me? Now the man can drop me. I said, the man say, I'm just playing with you. The man say, oh my God. The man said, he said something really happened. He said, the driver said, you are crazy. The day when I see buy cream, my Igbo lady friend when they this country, when they Amsterdam, that one laughed that day. When I still buy cream, as I open the cream not good. I can't carry and go back to the shop. The man tell me say that wait till I put for inside the cream. Now I tell her, say, why are you asking me? I open the cream is not good, then I return it back to you. You are asking me. Is it not the same cream? The man say, did you open it? I put another. I thought this is tube. I can't open tube. This is not cup. Then the man say, where the receipt? I got say, oh, I don't know where the receipt there. He say, no, change. I tell the man say, see, what happened 5 years ago? Don't let it happen. The man say, He said, what do you mean? I said, what happened 5 years ago? Don't let it happen. The man said, seriously? I said, yes. Now my Igbo lady friend, that one laugh. Now the man come to say, wait. Let me give you your money and go. Now so the man take give me money when I take buy the cream. Now so he give me the money, I can't come on for there. Now my Igbo lady friend say, you funny, sha. He said, what did happen 5 years ago? I said, me, I even know what they talk safe. Just for matter just to go. I don't know. Like on Saturday, yeah. I think number 2. People when they work for there. The man say, hi, how you doing? I tell her, she say whether they go shopping. I come tell her, say yes. Now so me with her just chat. He tell me say, he say, where are you from? I tell her, say I'm from Nigeria. He say, yes, say Nigeria people, they be criminals. I say, yes, we do. We are criminals. The man laugh. Now I tell her, I say, is it funny? He say, look at what you're saying. I say, yes, we are criminals. He say, would they use computer to the thief money? I say, yes. Now tell her, say, that is our job. The man come, they laugh. The man say, bye. You know, there is some kind thing where you don't supposed to they argue for. Like me now, there is some things. I don't maturely say there is some things where be say, if you stay there, they argue, you they use until they depress yourself. Did you know that you can depress yourself with something where no reach you, you not even talk like say you can't use until they depress yourself. You can't use until they frustrate yourself. There is a lot of people that now they frustrate themselves by themselves. Like Vera today now with that woman, they frustrate themselves by themselves. Matter wanna just say, okay, if I see you, I beg. Matter sister, I don't do. I don't feel fight you. Don't do. Finish. While leaving house, driving all the way from your residence, going to somewhere and hang up to fight with another family. Is that really caught for? Why are you guys doing that? That is a way you go take discharge fight. No matter how, there is a way. When you take this child fight, no be by this time. Me, I no fit to. If you say you want fight, now what kind of thing I go tell you? You yourself go surprise. You call the surprise, say, really? Yes. Not so. There is another day again. You know, say for summertime, if you just some police just there, they'll just like to they control you. And I mean with my daughter just they go years back. I think we don't reach almost 5 to 6 years now. I don't know whether 5 to 6 years or I don't know whether I don't reach. I know they go now, so police car just stop. I just stop. He say document. I say, why you say document? He say, yeah, document. Now I can't carry the document. I can't give her. My pikin can't give her. And you too. You can't look and finish. As he look at me, I say, hey, what do you want now? He can't say, I tell the police, say, thank God that I'm in a good mood today. I could have slapped head out of you. The police say, what? I say, yes. I don't can finish. Now boss laugh. I laugh. Police say, can you say that again? The second policeman come they laugh. He said, are you serious? I said, I'm in a good mood. Don't let me slap hair out of you. Now the second one said, do him. He said, bye. Now me with my daughter come they laugh. My daughter said, Mommy, do you know you are funny? You are very funny. Look at what you just said. I said, just talk. May I distract them, make I come on for them. That is it. You know, because I'm saying, I mean, I can't. No. You get where person they do something rich. No. You get where they do something rich. Have you fixed it? Mommy, you fix it? Are you sweeping your room? But I didn't dress your bed. Can you help me to do that? I've put everything there. That was my job. Yeah, that was my job. You were sleeping.
Mommy, I have the payments I always do for you. I have it upstairs.
That's your business.
You
But you get that down because.
I don't want me to pay you. I can send it back.
No, I'm going to settle my daughter.
Why?
Yeah, because the time I want to dress that bed, you were sleeping.
Yeah, but you was having the whole afternoon.
No. That is it. No. Now you go do it by yourself.
So I can send my gift back.
You are in a will be in Pelono Security. Felt a rolishan.
The other one is sweet.
Obvio, I'm not that move. No, let me charge you. You know?
I can send your payments back.
Will you? Listen, say bad poor.
See,
See, nare. Yeah, okay, see, I'm more.
You see the Uber. I used to push the car.
You say?
The Uber.
You.
I used to push her. What do you want to say? You see? See what?
Yeah, because you were sleeping.
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
No. You got to dress that bed. Yeah, I they work for house. You go like that for the bed. I want you dress bed together.
But I was not at home for 4 hours.
That's your business.
So you can't tell me in the 4 hours you didn't have time to arrange it.
Well, Jowas on the Obio, come over lady or not your dick body will be a coffee.
But you know the bed has to be arranged.
Huh? Now your brother now he go the fight for outside.
My brother?
from Uromi. He said the second man say, I will deal with you, I will beat you. He's not fighting. I like him for that. He don't fight. But Titi, I'm not gonna. No. I don't want to do that. No, Titi, I can't do that now. I don't already bath. I don't like that. I don't want heat. I don't want to enter that bedroom.
My own is cool. You know I have air cool.
Mommy, good night. Now you know as you take sleep for that bed because you disturb me.
You see what they're doing? She was having the own day. Don't you want to
Zesan, everywhere Zesan, Ebo. Everywhere Zesan.
Speak Pidgin. Right?
Yeah, give you man. What are you being able to I am talking. Vai, dare, ebineme luenya.
What? Say it again.
Neme luenya. O agwano. No wa bedi. Beshoy. Why?
I know Beshoy is why.
Beshoy.
See.
Yeah, are you going to do it? Mommy, are you doing the whether are you doing it? You are be at
Mommy, why do you think I told you, Mommy, I'm going to pay you share me to my room? That's the reason, because it's too much of the bed is so big. If you're busy on the half of the side, you're already tired.
No, but when I do that room, it takes me 5 hours.
I wanted to give you how much.
That's why are you saying it? Yeah? I'm working for you. I'm working for you. Don't have to say it.
So you have to fix it anytime. Because I pay you anytime.
But we're sleeping today.
Okay. No
Mommy,
problem.
do you know what? Do you know what you are going to help me to do, please? There is another bedspread there. Just put it on the side.
Yeah,
you will sleep.
Yeah,
then you can fix the pillowcase.
Yes.
Then tomorrow I will do that. I can't do that now. Do you see? Mara want me to do his own before. Discount. Now, okay, the time when you can't sleep, will come. When it reach money, no take and take follow me play.
I know.
When it reach money, I was already going to mention
I know you. You have money. I don't know.
Do I really like money?
You, Mama, you too like money. Mama, is still not a question. But it's me also. I spoiled you too this last couple of years. You know that, right?
If I spend money a month, do you know I spend up to 3,000 euro for the calculation
every month.
Yeah, go change the calculation. The other day you change the calculation.
Oh, when they send there's money you get and you still spend.
But I don't spend all. You know when I withdraw it.
You know what I always ask myself? How the fuck do you get money? you will find a way to have money. I don't know what you do.
I'm a computer wizard.
But you always. I was thinking about it last. It's like anytime you want something, you will find a way to find the money.
I do blouse.
So I don't know.
That is another secret.
No.
Now, do you know how much I'm looking for? I'm looking for 4,000 euro. 4,000. No.
Yeah,
I know where I'm going to get it. Do not worry.
Interest.
If I have like 2,000 euro now, I'll get 4,000 euro. Yeah.
I can give you 2K with interest. Then you pay me 3,000 euro back.
Well, you give me 2K with it, I'll pay you 3,000 back. I pray.
Okay, 4K with interest, you give me 6,000 back.
Did you forget? I don't need that. I don't need it.
You guys, she only likes money when it benefits her.
Okay.
Otherwise, she don't need.
Okay, I need the one that will benefit me. I don't need the one that I will pay back.
But if I tell you I'll give you 4,000 euro, I want 4,500 back, you will say yes. You see what I mean? It has to benefit her. Then she's gonna accept it.
Yeah, if I want 4,000 euro now, I can just go there withdraw it. That is a lot of money, but no.
I know you have the cards, you have the codes.
Oh no, I have my own money.
But that is a very good habit of you, because you don't take my card and just spend it and be like, I'm your mommy now.
No, I cannot do that. No.
You always, I also give you money, but you never ever took my card and just go and pay for stuff. That's a good thing.
And if I do it, not that you go to get angry now.
No, because there's a lot where it came from.
There's a lot. Maybe there I'll go and buy car. Maybe it's Okada we used to buy car.
Yeah.
Then do you know how I'm going to do it? When I use that car to use the money to buy car, then I'm going to use that car to do kabu. Then I'll pay you back.
No, you can't do kabu.
I mean, if I will go as I'm not going to do kabu. If I make up,
so be like everybody will be like I'm in kabu with the barrister.
I can do kabu.
You can, but you're not gonna do it.
I will do it. If I do it for 1 year, do you know how much I will?
It's a lot of money. And you don't even pay taxes. That's the craziest part.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys.
Yeah.
You want some water?
You want some more?
You want some water?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna wish you a good night.
No, I need
10,000 euros.
Fruits.
I need fruits too.
And did you know what? And please, can you go downstairs inside the fridge? Give me one fruit there. That fruit is very lekker. Just test it.
Yes, ma'am.
With my pikin get money, I'm so happy. Get money at this small age. At this small age, you try. You know? That is why sometimes I always tell women out there. The other time, people they say the mugu, the people that don't know how life is, the people that don't know how to plan for their children, you know. We don't talk about Vera and Benjamin. We don't talk about them. Come on. Oh, we are bang. Me wa dare bono hon Benjamin. Me wa dare Oriano hon. Doriano hon where he when Vera with that woman they fight, you will try to separate them. But that man, no let you separate them. That man is a very wicked man. To be honest. That man, now very wicked man. That man when his wife with Vera they fight. That man na bad man, not be better man. What that man is doing is not even using it to help his wife. That man hates his wife. Yes, he hates his wife. Your wife with somebody they fight. Your fellow man want go separate. Separate two women when they fight. But this man they hold and say may not go. Okay, my people, how did they do something? What of one of those women today they hurt themselves? Or one if you do something when you say, is it bite?
No, it's not right.
It's right, check it, it's lekker. Mommy, you try it. If you try this fruit, I think you take.
The one I have in my room is
you try this one. That one not